Ever wished you could wave a magic wand and instantly erase those pesky blemishes from photos? Well, today, we're diving into the world of face cleaning in Adobe Photoshop, exploring some simple yet powerful techniques to achieve flawless skin. First, let's grab the Spot Healing Brush tool from the toolbar. Looks like a bandage. With this tool selected, gently click or brush over any imperfections you see, like blemishes, pimples, or small spots. Letting Photoshop work its magic, it automatically uses the surrounding area to seamlessly blend and hide those blemishes. Next, to smooth out the skin, let's try the Healing Brush tool, which looks like a bandage now. Choose a clear area of skin nearby that you want to match to the blemishes. Hold down the Alt key and click to sample that region, then paint over the areas you want to improve. And you'll notice an instant improvement in appearance. Keep sampling new areas to use to give a consistent look. If you want a more overall smoothing of the skin, we can go to Filter, Blur, Gaussian Blur. Experiment with the radius slider to find a sweet spot, just enough blur to soften the skin without losing too much detail. Finally, for a professional touch, go to the Filter menu and find the High Pass option. This is for the sharpening and texture. In the High Pass filter, you can change the radius to bring back some facial features without emphasizing the flaws. Be careful to use this sparingly. With these techniques, you're well on your way to creating stunning, flawless portraits. Happy editing! And don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks.